Hey, it's Ben. I have this VEVOR fire pit ring. The company sent this over to me to review and is compensating me for this video. So let's open it up, check it out. All right, so I'm gonna get all the stuff out of the box. It's pretty heavy, by the way. So here's all the parts for the ring. Very heavy. Okay, so we have the instructions, pair of gloves. Nice, because you're handling potentially sharp edges. And then here's all the hardware. I'm gonna put the gloves on and get all these parts separated out. Here is the hardware you will use. So you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, possibly a wrench. I just want to show you one of these pieces up close. Really solid metal. Each section has an arrow sticker on it. Now the arrow sticker is going to be the lower piece when you're assembling two pieces together. And then you'll line up the holes and then put the screw and the bolt through those. Then you'll do this all the way around until you form the circle. It may work best to build it upside down because then it can sit on the flat surface. So I'm going to put the screw in through the front side and put the bolt on the back side. So once it's fastened together, it's really nice and secure. Let's get the rest of it put together. All right, we've got it all put together. I put it together upside down. Just keep in mind on the very last piece, you need to continue same over and under pattern. So on the one side, it'll be above, and on the other side, it'll be below. It took me about 20 minutes, so it wasn't too bad. One thing I'll say about this is it's nice and big. It's about 39.5 inches across, which is a little more than 3 feet. Compared to my old fire pit, it's definitely nice and large in size. You can get a big fire going in this. It was not difficult at all to move it over here. Hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.